Starting with a blank canvas can feel overwhelming. It's like staring at a void, unsure of where to begin and what to create. That's why I always start by preparing my canvases with texture and color. I'm using these beautiful journal pages from KCraft available at P&A. They're perfect for this project because their weight and texture makes them easy to work with, unlike fragile book or magazine pages that can tear. I start by measuring my canvases and cutting the journal pages to size. I apply a layer of gel medium to the canvas using an old card. This helps spread the medium evenly and covers the entire surface. Then I place the journal paper on the canvas, adjusting as needed. The weight of the paper allows me to lift and reposition if necessary, something you can't do easily with thinner papers. After pressing the paper down, I use the card to remove any air bubbles and excess glue. This step ensures the paper adheres properly, giving me a smooth, even base to work on. Once the paper is dry, I sand the edges to remove any overhang and create a clean finish. I paint the sides of the canvas black to give it a finished look and add a final coat of gel medium to seal everything in place. And there you have it, 3 canvases ready for any art medium, prepped and primed with a unique steampunk feel. By starting with a prepped canvas, you eliminate the fear of the blank page and set yourself up for a more creative, enjoyable process.